All right, this is what we were seeing on multiple iPads when we would take the tutorial using the browser from ETS. We did it on each of our networks. We did it with iOS versions 9.93 and also with the latest 10.3.1. We saw this on iPad 4s, which we use as backups with 16 gigs of RAM. This is an iPad Air 2 with 128 gigs of memory. Excuse me, that wasn't RAM, it was memory on the other one. We also experienced similar issues, though less frequent, in the practice test. And we did have one instance of the practice test that locked up, crashed while the student was in the middle of it, and then the entire iPad became unresponsive. So even though the app crashed, it was still locked in that single app mode, and we had to do a hard reboot. So going through the tutorial and going through the practice test so that the kids could, get used to the user interface, this is what we saw repeatedly. And this is why they didn't have enough confidence to proceed with the app on the iPad, and instead decided to go back to paper and pencil. We are not experiencing this on the PC or the Mac where the secure browser is used. Same network protocols for all devices. And then, like I said, this one is actually on a completely different network than the school. I actually have to do a hard reset to get out of this. The iPad is completely locked as this wheel spins. And so I can't hit the home button. I can't exit out of the app. I have to actually hold the home button and the power button until it forces the iPad off.